Welcome back to the Festival Kitchen. I'm Lauren and this is Casey. We're two Festival's Mealtime mentors. Today we are sharing a super simple gourmet mushroom recipe.
Yes, we are. We are making Boursin stuffed mushrooms.
And these are great as a holiday side dish, appetizer. I mean, who doesn't love stuffed mushrooms? Especially when Boursin cheese is involved.
Oh, anytime, yes.
So good. So let's talk about our mushrooms.
Yes, so what we have here are button mushrooms, and we've taken the stems off and put the tops in a mini muffin tray. This is really just to keep the mushrooms from rolling around as we're dealing with them and baking them eventually, but we saved the stems, so don't throw those away. We've chopped those up. We're going to use them in our filling.
Yeah, so let's get started on our filling. What we've done already, we have some butter that's been melted in our pan. I'm going to add in those mushroom stems that have been finely chopped. We've got some onion, some garlic, fresh chopped parsley. And these are for later, so we don't need those right now. But so all of our veggies essentially are just going to be sauteed here in our pan with our butter until they are tender.
Yes, so while those are cooking, I'm going to keep working on our filling over here. So we have, as promised, our Boursin cheese. I'm going to add some breadcrumbs to that and some grated Parmesan. So this Boursin is a really tasty element of this appetizer. It's like a creamy, spreadable cheese. It's got lots of like really great garlic, herby flavors. So it's really great for lots of different dishes, but it's really great in this, and you can find this in our deli at the Cheese Island.
Yes, but it's great to serve like on a grazing board or like a cheese board around the holidays. It comes in like just a little block, but I love that it's soft and spreadable.
Yes. Yeah, you can just serve it with crackers if you want, and that's a super simple appetizer idea, snack idea, but definitely just a little bit fancy.
Yeah, so we'll let Casey finish mixing up that cheese over there. That looks delicious, and we'll just let our veggies finish up too. All right, our mushroom mixture over here looks good, so I'm going to turn off the heat, and now we add this to Casey's cheese mixture.
I really like that we're using the stems in this stuffing, because not only is it a great way to not waste anything, we're using the whole mushroom, but it also just kind of really reinforces that mushroomy flavor. Plus, we kind of had these cooking on the stove, so it's got a little extra flavor that comes out.
Yes,
which is really tasty.
That moisture is going to help bind everything together, so it's more of a cheesy filling.
Right, because mushrooms have a high water content, so it's really a great way to get this to stick together. All right, this is looking
really good.
Very good. So let's get started with stuffing.
Yes, so we're going to work on this together.
Yes. And just kind of scoop a little bit of stuffing into each mushroom cap.
And this is a good opportunity, too, to get some help in the kitchen.
Yes.
All right, so we've stuffed all our mushrooms. The last step is we're going to sprinkle with additional breadcrumbs.
Yep. A little extra crispiness.
Yes.
And then I'm going to go through with a drizzle of olive oil, which will also help to crisp up those breadcrumbs a little bit.
I love how gourmet these look.
Yes.
And really, they don't require a ton of effort.
No, they don't. You get a lot of bang for your buck with these.
For sure.
All right, so we're going to bake these at 350 for about 20 minutes or until the mushrooms are deeply golden and all the way cooked through. So it doesn't take too long because we're not necessarily cooking anything, but just to warm those up.
Ta-da!
Look at that. These are so beautiful.
They are.
So we've just garnished these with a little bit of extra parsley to kind of give that pop of color. So.
Yes, and a good way to serve these if you're doing an appetizer is actually use like knotted bamboo sticks.
Yes, we have a few.
Or toothpicks if you have those.
Right, just to kind of make it a little easier to pick them up.
These look really cute. Very gourmet when you
Yes.
use the bamboo sticks.
I would definitely gravitate towards these at a holiday
for
party.
sure. Easy to grab too.
Yes, let's do it.
Take it off, good try.
Mmm.
Oh my gosh. There's just something about Boursin cheese.
I was gonna say, these are very good, but to be fair, you could put Boursin on anything and I would think it's amazing. So
100%.
I love these.
Impress your guests this holiday season with this simple gourmet appetizer recipe.
And for more holiday recipe ideas, visit festfoods.com/seasons.